Software development lifecycle and its importance in business. But have you ever think at once that, how such enormous machines and software are working behind it, designed and functioning to keep all the things in mind for the very specific tool or any business software such as CRM and ERP? Here we are trying to make you understand the complexity and the steps behind this software product development, how well we should plan and how to implement our strategies in the development of product development. In epigrammatic it's SDLC, which stands for Software Development Lifecycle, and it's the most crucial stage where a product can be designed and its success depends on that. How to identify that your product needs SDLC? If you have less efficiency and downgrading economy, supply chain management issue and bottlenecks. When you have a growing business, increase in user base also increase the complexity. If you have multiple branches over cities. 5 critical stages of software product development. Product discovery. The initial step of any software product development is the idea and planning to make a rough sketch of the ideology of the product that is going to be built in the forthcoming days. Any product can be made with the perfect planning and the resources it needs to be perfectly functioning software. So to discover all the needs and requirements that meet the end user is the first and necessary part of the development life cycle. Product definition. In this stage, the team of professionals, managers, and developers create the complete ample assessment of the technology they are going to use behind. Now the stage comes where planning needs to be implemented in practical terms. Product development. Yes, this is the development stage, which is the most time-consuming as it needs multiple teams with multiple modules and tasks which need to be completed with the help of documentation. And those two in chunks later on, all the chunks will be assembled to form one final working software product that meets the user requirement and completing the task whichever we assigned it to. This process is going to take months to years depending on the product requirement and needs. Also, the budget is a major concern behind the development. Product testing. Once the product is ready to perform some actions in the real world, then it's ready to do testing and check the quality of the product. There is a team of professionals and experts, QAs, quality assurance engineers, to check whether the software meets all the requirements for which it was built. Product deployment. Once the testing and quality assurance has finally bundled up, it's the time of the last stage of the software product development lifecycle, and it is the deployment of the product to the market for public use. This step also includes feedback and testing, as the end user is the king to make it a great success overnight or downgrade it. These ready software products are used by multiple users on multiple different machines, and if any problem or error occurred, it will again back to the team for correction, but it is the worst case scenario and happens quite less. The SDLC model is the same everywhere, and it's the basic requirement for every engineer to be aware of its stages. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon.